Hello everyone and welcome back to Zacklit Educational Channel. So finally there is a good news for the NTA UGC NET aspirants. We all were waiting for this thing and it was delayed for much longer time as compared to the usual timing after the UGC NET examination. Yes, this public notice is from NTA UGC on 10th of August 2026. They have mentioned that the provisional answer keys for the UGC NET June 2026 examination will be published on the official website this week. This week means today is Monday, that is of 10th of August. From Monday to Saturday, anytime they can publish, and they will publish because they have given the assurance as per this notice. I hope they are not delaying much. So along with the provisional answer keys for the CSIR NET, ICAR, AIEEE PG and AICE PhD 2026 examination. So candidate will be able to view the provisional answer keys and raise challenges within the notified window. So it will be mentioned till what time you can raise the challenge as per your, if you feel that there is some issue in the answer keys, and detailed instruction will be provided at the time of publication. So this was the much awaited thing which we all were waiting, and they have mentioned that candidates are advised to regularly check the official website and to rely only on the official communication from NTA. And we also assure you that we will also bring you the valid fact, so you can also follow our channel. We will update you once anytime the NTA and UGC are providing this kind of instruction or notices. So good news is that this week they will be publishing the UGC NET June 2026 answer key and along with your response sheet. Yes, that is for sure, because answer key means your response sheet also will be there. Hopefully they haven't mentioned there, so this is the gray part of this notice. I hope they are also giving your response sheet, and I am sure that they will be giving that, otherwise it will be a different issue. So this was the news which I wanted to tell you. Now I think you will be happy, and many people were frustrated and they were anxious. So now the good news is here. Let's keep praying for the better results. Follow Zacklit for further updates. See you guys in our next video. Till then, keep smiling and believe in yourself.